Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best foam can on Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is DUSICHIN SFL 001 Foam Cannon Snow Foam. This is a prime example of a regular foam cannon. It comes from DUSICHIN and is called the SFL 001. It comes with everything you will need to crack on with your foaming adventures. The bottle is cylindrical, with a small curve at the top. This curve helps you get a good grip on it when you are screwing it to the foam cannon body. The bottle also features graduated markings. This means that it has the measurement marks on the side. This makes it really easy to mix the right amount of soap and water. The graduation scale is in FL, Oz and in millimeters. The very first thing that I noticed was the connectors. These are made from brass, and the main connector itself has a 1/4 inch ratio. It will fit on the majority of pressure washers out there that feature the quick connect system. This means it comes on and off quickly and easily with no additional tools needed. On the top, you'll find the flow control, which will allow you to use just water, full foam, and everything in between. On the front, there is the foam adjusting nozzle that lets you change the spray pattern and focus the stream freely. Number 2. Our second best pick is Fasmov Adjustable Snow Foam Lance Foam Cannon Foam Blaster. If you are looking for a fantastic starting point, then the Fasmov Snow Foam Cannon is fantastic. It's the type of foam cannon that people who are skeptical about the whole foam cannon concept should purchase. This is just a foam cannon. It doesn't include any extra bells and whistles, but it will provide you with a genuine foam cannon experience. The performance of this? Well, let's take a look at its performance and features. Right off the bat, you will see that it has a plain white container, which is great as a lot of soaps are brightly colored. So you will easily see how much soap you have left by the color difference on the bottle, so you'll know if you need to refill. The connectors are made from brass, which is, in my opinion, the best material for connecting water pipes of this size. The quick connector adapter is 1/4 inch in diameter, so compatible with the majority of pressure washer models out there. The amount of pressure that this cannon needs to work is at least 1000 psi, which isn't hard to achieve even with the low-end pressure washer units. Number 3. Our third best pick is Foseal Snow Foam Lance Jet Washer Foam Cannon. If you are looking for a budget option when it comes to a foam cannon choice, then this particular foam cannon model from Foseal will give you all the basic features that you need. This is a great entry-level foam cannon unit. If you don't want to spend a lot, then this model could be the way to go. Firstly, the bottle is another cylindrical bottle which ends in a curve. It's white with a very slight transparency to it. This ensures that you can see how much soap solution you have left before you need to refill. The lowest PSI rating that this supports is 1000 PSI, and it needs a GPM of 2 GPM, though it will work if your values are slightly lower. The connectors are made from brass, so durability shouldn't be a concern, and the connectors are 1/4 inch, so work with the vast majority of pressure washers supporting the quick connect system. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Blisstime Snow Foam Lance Quick Release Adjustable Foam Cannon. This is another foam cannon set that will get you into foam cannon washing. I love that this foam cannon from Blisstime contains a chenille microfiber cloth designed for car washing. This cloth is waffle based so that any grit gets lifted away from the car's paint. The regular foam cannon brings typical standard performance to the table, though it does have some nuances. The bottle can hold up to 1 liter, 33 FL, Oz, of solution at any given time. The bottle's shape is cylindrical, with a slight curve on top. The bottle top itself is threaded, so you will get a nice safe and secure attachment to your foam cannon. All the joints and connectors are made from not only brass but premium brass, and as I've mentioned a few times, brass is the perfect material for small pipe connectors. Even the threaded container hold is made from brass so it won't wear down with ease. Quality throughout. The cannon itself has two dial valves so you can regulate the soap intake via the soap intake dial and the spray pattern control via the output nozzle. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Haas Pro Premium Quality First Lieutenant Bottle Foam Cannon. This fantastic car washing set by Hasbro includes much more than just a foam cannon. It comes with all the washing gear you would need to do a professional clean, plus you get a backup set of quick connect nozzles for your pressure washer. So if you manage to misplace a few, not to worry as Hasbro has you covered, and let's be honest, misplacing a nozzle happens more often than you might think. The bottle itself is another white semi-transparent bottle with a slight curve towards the top. This is a fairly standard shape, though this one has a Haas Pro label on the side. The bottle is threaded, so you will get a tight fit, but make sure not to over-tighten it, or the thread will wear off quickly. The couples themselves are made from brass and steel. This prolongs the life of the foam cannon. I love the included items. You get not only the quick connect nozzles, but also a waffle mitt and a microfiber drying towel. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.